How to activate a Visa Vanilla gift card. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can activate a Visa Vanilla gift card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you have bought the Vanilla Visa card online, or if you have received it as a gift, you have to activate it manually. In order to do that, you have to visit their official activation website. So open your Chrome browser or Google, and in the search bar type in vanilla gift. After that, head over to the official website, that is www.vanillagift.com. Once you're on the official website, make sure to log in into your account. Once you're logged in, there you will have an option to activate your card. So tap on the three-line icon at the top right or either at the top left. So check there. Once you see that, tap on it, and after that on the menu bar you will see activate card option. There you have to tap on it. Then it will ask you to enter your card details such as card number, expiration date, and your CVV, that is your 3-digit security code, which is available at the back of your card. So you have to enter the information correctly, and once you are done with that, you will have an option to activate. Tap on it and your card will be activated. So after the activation, you have to sign the back for your security that it is ready to use wherever the Visa is accepted. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.